If you wanted to reopen some viewed photos inside your Instagram, I will be showing you how to make this process really fast. We'll be all being there. If friends sends you a photo into your Instagram DM, you tap to open, you close it real quick, and when you go back to look at it again, it's completely locked, and just say view, for example. So if it's possible to reopen a disappearing photo once again, well, the short answer is no, because not natively, but understanding how the sender sent it determines exactly what shortcuts you have to see it again. The golden rule is to replay the allow replay the photos. So when someone sends a photo through the Instagram DM camera, they have 3 different ways to send an actual photo, which is the view once, allow the replay, or keep it into the chat. If someone selected an allow the replay, you actually get exact 1 extra chance to see it before it vanishes. If you closed the photo and needed to review immediately, you don't exit the actual chat window, tap and hold directly into the message bubble, or simply tap into just 1 more time. Let me go and add on a specific just new chat. Let's say, for example, for somebody who we actually know, which in this case, let's say, for example, that I look out for someone like this. Inside here, I actually sent in a specific message like this. Now you can see that we have the element that says seen just now, right? If you wanted to send an actual video or an actual image, what you can do is to select the actual photo, and if you are into your actual device, it will be telling you that you can send this for disappearing, or to just click it and directly appearing inside here. If you of course save it into just 1 time, you can go for more and click into unsend. This will be unsending everything. Sometimes the actual receiver will be getting the actual image, but at the end of the day, it will be disappearing and you won't be seeing this anymore. Now, in spotting of the actual click, if the sender chooses view once, the Instagram server strictly wipe the cache file the millisecond you close the screen. There are a few applications that can be helping you to retain the actual disappearing messages into your Instagram. If I open any tab, and let's go for disappear message or image Instagram app. For example, we have now send disappearing photos to the video chat group. Let's say, for example, Instagram launches instant disappears, add instant tools. There's the instant new, how to send disappearing photo, how to recover, or let's say, for example, save disappear messages Instagram application. And as you can see, there are not so much many applications that can be helping you to recover disappearing photos into Instagram, but something that I can totally suggest to you is that you still directly inside the message, don't close the chat support, because it won't be letting you open the actual image. And if you try to, let's say, look out for an actual screenshot, it will be sending an actual notification to the receiver that you're trying to save this with an actual screensaver. So I want to don't do that at the moment, so take that in mind. So guys, hopefully this was a very useful information for you. Hopefully this clear your minds and understand that sometimes it just won't work, and it will be letting you do this process in a very easy way. So guys, if you have any questions, you can let me know into the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys well next time.